Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Doran and today I'll be showing you how to make flaxseed gel. Don't worry about my messy hair, we're gonna be transforming her like in this video, so I hope you guys stay tuned. So before we move on, you guys know like the drill, right? Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can proceed. Anyways, you're paying too much attention to my hair. Don't focus on my hair. Anyways, let's move on. So I won't be going through all the process because I've made a video before on how to like make the flaxseed, but I'll be showing you the flaxseeds I'll be using. So this is how they actually look like. I don't know if you can see, but they're really flat. I think, okay, no, that's not the name. The name is flax, not flat. Anyways, you can click on the link there to see how I actually made it. It's really simple, and I'll just be showing you like the end results. Oh, yeah, the end results for this. So I'm going to go ahead and boil it. Not everything, obviously not everything. I'm just going to use like maybe a handful or something. And one thing you know about this is because it's like a natural like product, right? And there are no preservatives, so it's best for you to like use the one you can finish in that particular day. And it's might kind of get messy, but it's perfectly fine and it's perfectly normal. So I'll be showing you how I'm going to apply it to my hair. So I'm working on a newly washed hair. I washed my hair yesterday. It's semi-dry, semi-wet. Anyways, I'll be working on it like that. So I'm just going to section it now, and yeah. So by the way, this is my first time actually applying gel to like all parts of my hair. So here I have this baby that I'm gonna be working with. I didn't make it to be like so thick because this is like what I want. So I'm gonna try. And I really hope it works on my hair. Here goes nothing. I'll try with a small part. So let's see. So here's my hair before gelling. And please work, please work. Okay, you can see some curls. I mean, just not too bad for your fussy hair. Wow, all right, okay. Some curls are popping. So I'm really hoping this is not a big failure because anyways, like, I don't know if you can see anything, but I'm having double thoughts about this already. But anyways, I'm just going to tie my scarf so it can lay down, and tomorrow I'm going to just hope for the best. I mean, it doesn't even look late at all, but I feel it's still too early to like judge, and I'll just go ahead and like tie my scarf. I think I'm supposed to. I'm thinking of braiding my ends so it won't shrink or anything, but I don't know. I already tied my scarf, and this is how I'm going to like sleep. So I'm going to record when I wake up. So let's just. So it's the next morning, and I'm so excited to remove the scarf. There goes nothing. You're lying. Look at this. Wow. The ends are still kind of rich. I'm just going to try. I don't know if I should like braid it or just let it be, but like, you guys understand, like, this is so nice. I had my fears. I was thinking it was probably going to turn white or it won't lay at all or something, but dude, look at this. Like, I'm so excited. Wow, like, I'm going to like try this over and over again, like. You guys, I won't lie to you, I really had my doubts like on this nails. I've been seeing videos on like different textures of it, but not like fussy, and you guys, look at that, like. It's a must try. Like, I'm going to step out in the sun now, so I'm going to like make a short video and like see the glory of everything. Oh my God. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but that's it, and I really love it. Like, it's so nice. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Watch out for next ones. Bye.